Did you know that small daily habits can completely transform your heart health? If you want to live longer and better, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 7 simple yet highly effective exercises that help strengthen the heart and keep your cardiovascular health in check. Stay with me until the end, because exercise number 7 will surprise you with its ease and benefits. Taking care of your heart doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few minutes of your day, you can strengthen this vital organ and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, get ready to discover how to move your body and keep your health at its best. Let's go. 1. Fast walking. Starting with the simplest, fast walking. Just 30 minutes a day can work wonders for your heart. This exercise improves circulation, helps control blood pressure, and reduces bad cholesterol. The best part? You can do it anywhere, in the park, on the street, or even on a treadmill. Fast walking is one of the most accessible and effective exercises for maintaining heart health. When you walk at a brisk pace, your heart rate increases, strengthening the heart muscle. This, in turn, improves the heart's ability to pump blood, reducing the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. In addition, fast walking helps with weight control, which is essential for maintaining heart health. Excess weight is one of the main risk factors for issues such as high blood pressure and elevated cholesterol. By walking regularly, you burn calories and keep your metabolism active, helping to maintain a healthy weight. Another important benefit is the positive impact on mental health. Fast walking stimulates the production of endorphins, chemicals in the brain that promote feelings of well-being and happiness. This helps reduce stress, one of the main villains of heart health. To make walking even more effective, choose routes that include small inclines or varied terrain. This increases the physical effort, challenging your body in a healthy way. Additionally, walking outdoors offers the extra benefit of getting sunlight, which is essential for vitamin D production, also contributing to cardiovascular health. And don't forget, fast walking can be adapted to your routine. If you don't have 30 minutes available all at once, split the time into smaller sessions of 10 to 15 minutes throughout the day. The important thing is to maintain consistency and keep up the brisk pace. If you like music, creating an upbeat playlist can make your walk more fun and motivating. Another tip is to pay attention to your posture while walking. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and look ahead. Use your arm movement to propel your body, which helps increase the efficiency of the exercise. And remember to wear comfortable, suitable shoes to avoid discomfort or injury. If you're struggling to start, invite a friend or family member to walk with you. Having company makes the activity more enjoyable and increases motivation to maintain the habit. Plus, walking in a group is a great opportunity to socialize and strengthen relationships, which also contributes to mental health. Fast walking is simple, but extremely powerful. Over time, you'll notice not only physical benefits but also how your energy and mood improve day by day. So, lace up your trainers and start today. 2. Stairs climbing. Don't shy away from the stairs. Climbing up and down stairs is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. This simple habit strengthens the muscles in your legs, such as quadriceps, glutes, and calves, while increasing your heart rate, promoting a stronger and healthier heart. Moreover, climbing stairs is a high-intensity activity that helps burn calories quickly. In just a few minutes, you can increase your metabolism, contributing to weight management. And as we know, maintaining a healthy weight is essential to avoid issues like high blood pressure and high cholesterol. To get started, you don't need much time or equipment. Climbing 2 or 3 flights of stairs a day is enough to feel the first benefits. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the number of climbs or your pace. This natural progression helps improve your stamina without overloading your body. An important tip is to pay attention to your technique. Keep your posture upright, avoiding leaning forward, and use your leg muscles to drive the movement. This not only protects your joints but also makes the exercise more efficient. If you feel discomfort in your knees, start slow and focus on short climbs. If you want to intensify your workout, try climbing the stairs faster or even doing high-intensity intervals. Climb 1 flight at your maximum pace and then descend slowly to catch your breath. This type of interval training is great for improving cardiovascular conditioning. Another interesting benefit of stairs climbing is strengthening the core. As you balance your body during the climb, you work your abdominal muscles, improving posture and reducing back pain. It's an extra bonus that makes a big difference in your everyday life. Climbing stairs is also an accessible activity that can be done almost anywhere. At work, opt for the stairs over the lift whenever possible. At home, set aside a few minutes each day to go up and down the steps repeatedly. Small changes to your routine can lead to significant results over time. If you like tracking your progress, use a smartwatch or an app to count the steps you've climbed. This helps measure your performance and serves as motivation to keep going. Seeing the numbers go up each week is a powerful incentive not to give up. And don't underestimate the impact of consistency. Even if you start slow, keeping the habit of climbing stairs regularly will bring significant benefits to your heart and overall health. So, how about starting today? See the stairs as your allies and take the first step towards a more active and healthy life. 3. Swimming. Swimming is undoubtedly one of the most complete exercises available. It improves circulation, strengthens the heart, and is also a low-impact activity on the joints, making it ideal for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you have access to a pool, take advantage of it and swim at least twice a week to enjoy the numerous benefits this practice offers. When swimming, you work all the major muscle groups in your body, including arms, legs, back, and abdomen. This helps to tone muscles and improve physical endurance while promoting an efficient cardiovascular workout. Additionally, the natural resistance of the water intensifies the effort, making each movement more challenging and effective. Another positive aspect of swimming is stress relief. The sensation of being immersed in water has a relaxing effect, helping to reduce tension and anxiety. This combination of physical activity with emotional benefits makes swimming a true therapy for both body and mind. If you are concerned about joint pain or have any physical limitations, swimming is an excellent alternative. As a low-impact activity, it does not put stress on the joints and reduces the risk of injury. This makes it ideal for people with arthritis, chronic pain, or recovering from injuries. For those seeking to improve cardiovascular health, swimming is especially effective. During exercise, the heart works to pump more blood to the muscles, strengthening over time. This effort helps to lower blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. If you are a beginner, you don't need to master all swimming styles immediately. Start slowly, alternating between swimming and rest periods. Gradually, you can learn different styles, such as freestyle, breaststroke, or backstroke, each with its specific benefits for different parts of the body. A valuable tip to maximize the benefits of swimming is to create a regular routine. Set specific times during the week to practice, even if it's only for 30 minutes per session. Consistency is the key to achieving long-term results, whether for heart health or overall physical fitness. Additionally, swimming in a group can be a motivating and social experience. Invite friends or family to swim with you, or join group classes offered at gyms or clubs. This not only makes the activity more fun but also helps to create a commitment to the practice. Remember to use the appropriate equipment, such as a swimming cap and goggles, to ensure comfort and protection during your workout. If possible, seek guidance from an instructor to learn correct techniques, avoiding movements that may cause discomfort or reduce the efficiency of the exercise. Over time, you will realize that swimming is not just a form of exercise but also a moment of self-care. The feeling of being in the water, combined with the physical and emotional benefits, makes this practice one of the best options for keeping your heart strong and your health in check. So, why not take the first plunge and start enjoying everything swimming has to offer? 4. Dance. Who says exercise can't be fun? Put on your favorite music and move your body. Dancing is an incredible way to take care of your heart, as it combines movement with pleasure, making the practice much more engaging and motivating. This exercise not only increases your heart rate, improving your physical condition, but it is also a great ally in reducing stress, one of the main villains of cardiovascular health. Dance is an extremely versatile activity, adaptable to all tastes and skill levels. You can opt for styles like Zumba, Samba, Foro, Salsa, or even create your own choreography at home. The important thing is to move and keep your body active. The best part is that you don't even notice the time passing while dancing, because you're having fun. In addition to the benefits for the heart, dance works on coordination, flexibility, and balance. Rhythmic and dynamic movements help strengthen the muscles of the legs, arms, and trunk, while improving posture and body awareness. It's a complete exercise that promotes physical and mental health. Another positive point is that dance helps release endorphins, the so-called happiness hormones. This improves mood, relieves tension, and combats symptoms of anxiety and depression. Even on the most stressful days, a few minutes of dancing is enough to completely change your mood. If you want to burn calories while taking care of your heart, dance is an excellent choice. Depending on the intensity, 1 hour of dance can burn between 300 and 500 calories. And the best part, you can adjust the rhythm and style according to your mood and goals, from lighter movements to intense choreographies. Dancing can also be a rich social experience. Participating in dance classes or group events is a great way to meet new people and strengthen bonds with friends or family. This social interaction is an important factor for emotional health, which also positively reflects on heart health. If you prefer to dance alone at home, create a playlist with your favorite songs and set aside a time of day to let loose. Try varying the musical styles to keep the activity dynamic and interesting. From upbeat songs to slower rhythms, all contribute to overall well-being. For beginners, don't worry about mastering complex steps. The important thing is to start and let your body move naturally to the rhythm of the music. Over time, you can learn more elaborate choreographies or even explore online dance classes, which offer a myriad of options and levels. Dance can also be adapted for people with physical limitations. Simpler and more controlled movements still provide cardiovascular benefits and help keep the body active. The important thing is to respect your body's limits and enjoy the activity without pressure. Finally, remember that the most important thing is to have fun while taking care of your health. Dance is a light, relaxed, and energetic way to keep your heart strong and healthy. So, why not hit play on your favorite music right now and start dancing? Your body, and your heart, will thank you. 5. Cycling. Cycling, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, is an excellent way to strengthen your heart and improve circulation. This exercise increases your heart rate, which stimulates your heart to work more efficiently. Additionally, it's an activity that combines fun with health, making the habit of cycling a great choice for overall well-being. Cycling is an aerobic exercise, known for increasing lung capacity, reducing bad cholesterol levels, and controlling blood pressure. When cycling, blood circulates more efficiently, carrying oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. This helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. Another great benefit of cycling is calorie burning. Cycling can burn 300 to 600 calories per hour, depending on the intensity of the workout. This contributes to weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight, which is crucial to avoid putting extra strain on the heart. And the best part, you can adjust the pace and distance to your fitness level. Cycling also strengthens the leg muscles, including quadriceps, calves, and glutes, while working the core to maintain balance. This combination not only improves physical conditioning but also relieves joint pain and improves posture. For those who prefer the outdoors, cycling in parks, bike paths, or trails is a great way to connect with nature. Cycling in fresh air helps relieve stress and promotes a sense of well-being. Additionally, exploring new paths and landscapes can make exercise more interesting and motivating. If you prefer indoor workouts, the stationary bike is a practical and safe alternative. You can adjust the resistance to simulate climbs or cycle at various speeds, creating a personalized and effective workout. Another advantage is being able to cycle while watching a movie or listening to music, making the exercise more enjoyable. One of the great advantages of cycling is that it is a low-impact activity, ideal for people who want to protect their joints or are starting an exercise routine. This makes it an accessible option for different age groups and physical conditions. For beginners, start with 20 to 30-minute sessions at a comfortable pace and gradually increase the time and intensity. The important thing is to be consistent and make cycling part of your weekly routine. Remember to also wear safety equipment, such as a helmet, and adjust the bike correctly to avoid discomfort. Cycling in a group is a fun way to make exercise more social. Invite friends or family for a bike ride or join local cycling groups. The support of others can be a great motivator for maintaining the habit. Finally, whether you cycle to commute, explore new landscapes, or exercise at home, the important thing is to enjoy the benefits that cycling brings to your heart and overall health. So, why not take your bike out of the garage or turn on the stationary bike and start cycling today? Your body and mind will thank you. 6. Yoga. It may seem surprising, but yoga can also greatly benefit heart health. Although it is a calmer practice focused on relaxation, yoga plays a crucial role in reducing stress, controlling blood pressure, and promoting a balance between body and mind. It is an accessible activity for people of all ages and skill levels, ideal for those seeking a gentle exercise to strengthen the body. One of the main benefits of yoga for the heart is its ability to reduce stress levels. The practice combines controlled breathing, gentle movements, and meditation, elements that help reduce the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. Lower stress levels mean less pressure on the cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of heart disease. Another positive aspect is the impact of yoga on breathing. Deep breathing techniques, such as pranayama, teach you to fully use your lungs, increasing the supply of oxygen in the blood. This improves circulation and helps the heart function more efficiently. In addition, conscious breathing induces a state of calm, which contributes to regulating heart rate. Yoga is also known to help control blood pressure. Gentle poses, such as the child's pose or the downward-facing dog, promote muscle relaxation and blood circulation. With regular practice, you can observe a reduction in blood pressure levels, especially in people who suffer from hypertension. In addition to all the cardiovascular benefits, yoga improves flexibility, strengthens muscles, and increases body awareness. Poses like mountain pose and warrior pose help align the body, improving posture and reducing accumulated tension in daily life. If you are a beginner, you don't need to master complex poses immediately. Start with simple and accessible poses, dedicating 10 to 15 minutes of your day to practice. Gradually, as you feel more confident, incorporate more challenging poses and explore longer sessions. The important thing is to maintain a consistent approach and respect your body's limits. To maximize the benefits, consider combining yoga practice with a peaceful environment. Choose a quiet space where you can concentrate without interruption. Using a yoga mat and comfortable clothing also contributes to a more enjoyable experience. If possible, participate in in-person or online classes to learn the correct technique and avoid improper postures that can cause discomfort. Experienced instructors can guide you on the best movements and breaths to promote heart health. Another wonderful aspect of yoga is that it does not require sophisticated equipment or large spaces. You can practice at home, in the park, or even in the office. All that is needed is a little time and willingness to dedicate yourself to this moment of self-care. Finally, remember that yoga is much more than physical exercise. It is a practice that connects body, mind, and spirit, promoting overall health. Incorporating yoga into your routine can bring lasting benefits not only to your heart but to your entire quality of life. So, why not try a session today? Your heart deserves this care. 7. Jumping rope. And finally, the exercise that may surprise you, jumping rope. This simple and accessible activity is an excellent cardiovascular workout that strengthens the heart quickly and effectively. Jumping rope is one of the most complete exercises, as it works not only the cardiovascular system but also improves endurance, agility, and coordination. Additionally, this activity provides an impressive calorie burn, making it a great option for those who want to maintain a healthy weight while taking care of their heart. When jumping rope, your heart rate increases, which improves blood circulation and promotes the strengthening of the heart muscle. This type of training is ideal for those who want to improve cardiovascular capacity in a short time. Studies show that just 10 minutes of jumping rope is equivalent to 30 minutes of moderate running, making it a super efficient exercise for those who have little time. In addition to being an excellent exercise for the heart, jumping rope also helps improve balance and coordination. The constant practice of this movement works on body control, especially the muscles of the legs, core, and arms. This helps to develop agility and postural stability, as well as reducing the risk of falls and injuries. One of the great advantages of jumping rope is its simplicity. All you need is a rope and a free space to practice. No sophisticated equipment or gym is needed to enjoy the benefits of this activity. You can jump rope at home, in the park, or even on the street, adapting the workout to your lifestyle. If you are starting out, don't worry about doing long sessions. Start with 1 minute of jumping, and gradually increase the duration as your fitness improves. The secret is to gradually increase the intensity and time so that your body gets used to the effort without causing overload on the joints or muscles. An important tip is to maintain correct posture when jumping rope. Try to keep your body upright, elbows close to your body, and wrists slightly lowered, to ensure a more efficient and safe movement. Avoid jumping too high, which can cause unnecessary impact on the joints. The movement should be smooth and continuous. Additionally, varying the jumping styles can make the workout more interesting and challenging. You can alternate between jumping with both feet, 1 foot at a time, or even jumping at different speeds. These adjustments help to work different muscle groups and keep motivation high. Jumping rope also has beneficial effects on the respiratory system, as it requires a greater lung capacity. This improves physical endurance and can help prevent respiratory diseases. Constant practice helps expand lung capacity, making it easier to breathe during more intense physical activities. For those seeking quick results, the rope is an excellent tool, especially when combined with other exercises. It can be incorporated into circuit training, high-intensity intervals, or even as a warm-up before other exercises, such as running or weightlifting. Finally, jumping rope is a fun and effective way to take care of your heart, increase endurance, and improve balance. Start slowly, set realistic goals, and enjoy each moment of this practice. Your body, and especially your heart, will thank you for every jump. Did you know you can have a stronger heart with just a few simple exercises? It's all about starting small and making it a habit. Which workout are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss my next video filled with more tips to keep you healthy and happy. Oh, and check out this other video I made just for you. Click now and let's get fit together. See you soon.